welcome to the demo video of Mayhem. I'm Hemang Korot and I'm here to present my project Mayhem. So let's get into it. What is Mayhem? What is the vision of the Mayhem? Mayhem is basically a project which solves the creativity and the social challenge which community or projects have to engage with their which projects have to engage with their communities. So we are a gamify. We have developed a gamify experience for the projects, so that they can engage with their community very better and very efficient. What are the problem statement for the projects which are on the chain right now? So there are, first of all, there is a monetization challenge. It is very difficult to monetize the content, but it is very easy right now with the rise of content coins on Zora and other platforms. There are limited engagement and there is trust. So if we talk about limited engagement, the project struggles to maintain active engagement with the community, and that's why it declines the engagement and the growth of the project and the trust. No one wants to buy any shady coin launched on pump.fun or any other similar problems platforms. If we see the plum.fun's token success rate, it is declining gradually, and we ask what is the reason for that. The main reason for that is, you guessed it right, yeah, after the launch of the Trump coin and everyone was speculative, and it was very shit on meme coin space because yeah, first president launched the coin. But if we see the big picture, there are always trenches favored insiders over the culture and taste. Bot and snipers control a large amount of token supply, and small cap tokens are incredibly illiquid. So, what is the solution? Solution is mayhem. Imagine having a community battle between BAYC and Doodles, where each community will battle with each other, turning meme into an interactive game, rewarding players with the tokens and based on the in-game achievement, and backing the top meme with the starter liquidity upon launch. So let's get into the demo. Sorry, yeah. If you can see here, I have a script which will execute the contract. This is my Peggy's admin wallet, which will deploy the meme competition contract. And these are the 10 wallets which are created for basically simulate the gameplay. Here you can see 2 seconds ago the contract is being deployed. Create game is called. Now, after the game is being created, every wallet will be creating each meme. So basic gameplay would be, after the game is being created by by a project or some task, the community members inside the game will create the meme based on their likings, and on that meme, after the meme is being created, the game will start on a particular amount of time. So here you can see there are games being created, memes being submitted, the transactions of meme being submitted on the chain. Here you can see the log as well, that the memes are being approved and disapproved by the projects based on the community guidelines and stuff. So basically, what the gameplay would be, after creating the memes and submitting it to the platform, the game will start, and each game, the all the submitted memes will be showcased to the user. Now here you can see, do you want to start the game? Where when I press yes, it will say starting the game, and in that game there would be 1 minute round each. When the round will be active, each player will have to vote on the specific meme which they'll find the best to their likings. And on the base, see, my wallets are voting on each memes. It's a random legion voting, so to simulate the gameplay. You can see the transaction hash here. Yep, 11 seconds ago, the transaction is being submitted by the gameplay. After voting, when a round ends, it will calculate all the votes by the players to a specific meme, and on the top meme which is being voted the most will be launched based on the liquidity that is provided on the start of the gameplay, and the liquidity is the point 0.1 ETH or something like that, or like less than 0.01 ETH, that would be decided by the projects to enter the gameplay. These are the transaction reverted because the players are trying to vote again after the round is being ended. So this is a security mechanism which I have added to, not manipulate the votes of the games of the memes. Let's wait for some time to get this meme competition, and okay, the round is being ended right now. You can see the logs, the round is being ended. And after we see the leaderboard, okay, Dodge to the Moon has the best votes, and it will create the token based on that. Okay, token is now being created and liquidity have been added to the meme. If we see the token address on the chain, yep, you can see the token tracker Doge Moon, D Moon, and it is being created. So that was the basic gameplay. What would be the future plan? Right now it is a script, but my future plan would be to create a mobile app or maybe a Twitter bot which will solve the social factor and help projects interact with each other. So you have seen the gameplay, right? And after this gameplay, suppose two communities are fighting with each other, and two communities like create their community members creating these coins. These coins are not basically related to the community projects, but these are basically a way to interact with each other, and a way where you can have regular interaction rather than a single token launch. So basically, when two we have seen the D Moon token launched, and after that other token being launched. So you can compete with other communities that these are the market caps of my token, these are the market caps of our tokens. And in future I am also planning to have a chat based interactive groups to basically just to yap the tokens created and communities created. So thank you and hope you like the rod.